Instagram has rolled out a new feature where they will allow us to post public comments on someone's Instagram story, and anyone who views the story will be able to see the comments which you or somebody else left on that story. Instagram is gradually rolling out this feature for some countries and some accounts, and you can check out if you have the story comments option by simply opening your App Store or the Google Play Store and simply check if your Instagram application is fully updated to the latest version. If you see a little update option right here, that means that Instagram isn't updated on your device. So just tap on this button, wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of the Instagram app is downloaded and installed on your iPhone or Android device, and then you can open the app. In order to comment on someone's story, all you have to do is to open the story which you want to comment on, and then you'll see this little Add a Comment text right at the bottom. If I tap on this, it's going to open the comment section where I can write a comment about this Instagram story. So I'll write, "Cool photo," and you can then post the comment which you wrote by tapping on this little arrow icon at the right side of your screen. As you can see, my comment is posted and it is public, which means that anyone who opens this story will be able to see this comment which I had posted. You can comment your own stories on Instagram, as well as your friends or family stories. But if you don't see the Add a Comment option when you open an Instagram story, then the feature probably isn't available for your country or region yet, so you will have to wait a little bit more until Instagram rolls out the feature for your account or for your country. Make sure you regularly update the Instagram application in your App Store or the Google Play Store, and you should get this commenting feature very soon if you don't have it already. But if you do have the commenting feature for some Instagram stories, but you don't have the option for some other stories, then it's possible that the person who posted the story on which you want to comment on has disabled the commenting feature on that specific story, or they've disabled the story comments completely for their Instagram profile, so you will not be able to comment on their stories. But yeah, that's about it, everyone. If you have any questions or suggestions, then please make sure you leave them in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video.